Okay. So adjust. Yes, she can. May I request the spouse? May I request the spouse of the Deputy President designate to come forward? Mr. Deputy President designate, I shall commence with the administration of the first oath, which is the oath of allegiance of the Deputy President. Kindly repeat after me. I,
Kithure Kindiki,
in full realization of the high calling, I assume as Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, do swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Kenya, that I will obey, preserve, protect, and defend this Constitution of Kenya, as by law established, and all other laws of the Republic, and that I will protect and uphold the sovereignty, integrity, and dignity of the people of Kenya. So help me God.